Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Ken Steve, and today we are looking at linking Alipay and 1688 together for easy payment. But before we proceed, like the video, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you get updates weekly.
Welcome to Solution Channel by Kim Services, where we share useful videos on Facebook and Instagram ads, Alipay account, web designing, e-commerce site, online business, importation, shipping and procurement, freelancing, gospel, recharge card printing, mentorship.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ken Steve, and today I'll be taking you through on how you can actually link your 1688 and Alipay account together, or let's say Taba and Alipay account together for easy payment. Remember, if you create Alipay account and 1688 account separately without linking the two together, it is impossible for you to make payment on Taba or 1688. It is just absolutely impossible. So the two accounts must be linked together for easy payment and for easy accessing. So what is the meaning behind that? When you register on 1688, your phone number is being tracked by the site and recorded as your own ID. Are we together? So now if you are chatting a seller now, what you're seeing on top of the seller's page, you will see something like their own ID. So when you see the ID, that is their own Alipay, that is their own phone number. So anybody on 1688 or Taba, their ID is their phone number. So now, if you happen to register Alipay separately and then you register 1688 separately, let's say you create the two accounts different with different phone numbers, it is just going to be absolutely impossible for you to make payment. There is just no way you'll be able to make payment. So the 1688 and Taba account must be linked together before you make payment. I think we are together. So how are you going to achieve that? First of all, I do advise people to create Alipay account first, because Alipay account is sensible to the extent that immediately you sign up for Alipay account, the system will automatically generate your 1688 and Taobao account for you to make payment. For you to shop on 1688 and Taobao. So Alipay is just for payment. You understand? Just for payment. So immediately you create an account on them, they know that the system already know that you actually have an intention to shop on Alibaba platforms. And Alibaba platforms include AliExpress, Alibaba itself, 1688, Taba, Tibo that we did not mention. So now, when you sign up for Alipay, the account is generated there, and you can still set your own password on the same Alipay account. From there, you'll be able to make payment easily. You understand? So without wasting much of your time, let me open my Alipay and navigate to show you how you can achieve that. So this is my Alipay, and then this is the home page. So on this home page, I posted a video before now how you can actually download, install Alipay, and then set up, sign up for Alipay, and then how to verify the Alipay. So you verify the Alipay either with Topaz, and then you top up. The next thing is for you to do is actually to set login password and payment password, which you can actually use this information to shop on on 1688 and Taba. So now, first of all, what do you need to do? On top of, if you check up, you will see a video that I posted recently about signing up and verifying Alipay account. So you can actually check it to verify and sign up for your own Alipay account. So first of all, if you log in, you're going to click on me. So if you click on me, for you to get your Taba account, you can see on my own profile picture where you are seeing Ken Steve followed by my second phone number. So you are going to click on that thing. But if you are yet to put your picture there, you just see your avatar, your profile avatar. So if you click on the avatar, or let's say your own password, your own profile avatar there, so you are going to see these kind of things. So this is my phone number, this is my Taba account, TB31 -- Tibo So you are going to copy this taba account here. You can see it over here. You are going to copy it and then write it down. So be very careful with this taba account, because this is your own taba name. If you lost it or anything happened to it, you are not going to shop on that taba account and pay with that type of Alipay again, unless you will be using another account. So that account is linked together. So anytime you shop on on 1688 and Taba, they will take you automatically to your own Alipay, because they are linked together. No stress, nothing like asking for barcode, scan code, Alipay number, nothing like that. So copy this Taba name down. So this is my own. I already copied it somewhere. So I'm going to come back. So definitely you have gotten the word Taba name. So this Taba can be used for both 1688 and Taba itself. So the next thing for you to do is actually to come back here, and then you click on settings. You can see the cycle for settings on top, and then on this page what you are going to click is account and what security. So if you click on account and security, this page will open up, and then you are going to come down, and then you can still see your Taba member name there. So what we are going to do here is to first of all set your Alipay password. So if you are having a paper, write it down. Alipay password is the same thing as payment password. Do we understand? Alipay password equals payment password. So this one, it will actually be only 6 digits, and then there are numbers all through. So they are just like your bank pin. Anytime you want to use your own bank account, whether to buy recharge card, whether to pay some stuff, send some money to somebody, they will actually ask you for a verification pin to know that this person is the owner of the account and you are actually the one making the transactions. The same thing is applicable to Alipay. So anytime you are making payment on Alipay, they will ask you for that payment password, and then it is called what? Payment password on Alipay is known as what? Alipay password. So they're asking me here, do you remember the password 234-81-39 is using? So they're asking me whether I remember my password. So I remember, so I will just click yes. So or anyway, I will just click the cancel arrow and then go back. But if you are yet to set the payment password, you click no. So when you click no, they will take you through some few steps to set your payment password. Just some few steps. They will verify your phone number and then allow you. So when you set the payment password, write it somewhere and do not forget. Do not forget. Forgetting your Alipay password is just like forgetting your bank pin. So I think you guys can know how terrible it is for somebody to forget bank pin. So the next thing is for you to click on login password. So if I click on login password, my intention is to get a login password that will actually give me access to Alipay account, 1688 account, Taba account, and the rest of this site. So they are still asking me, do you remember the password 23481 -39 is using? I will say yes, because I already know the password and I already set it. It's because of the questions people are asking me that I want to do the video. So if you don't know, click no. So they will verify your phone number, send you a 4-digit or let's say a 6-digit to your phone number, and then allow you to set a new password. So all these 2 passwords are very, very important. So if you do that, then you will go back, and that is all about getting your 1688 and Taba account details from Alipay. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to cut off this page, because I'm done with setting all these stuffs I mentioned. So if I cut off here, I will go to my 1688 app and then log in. I think I log in here already. Let me check. Okay, I'm already logged in. Let me go to my Chrome browser, so that on Chrome, once you are out like some few minutes, they will take you out. So I just want to log in so that I'll show you guys how you can actually log into. Okay, I'm already logged in here. How am I going to do? Let me try to close this page and then try logging in again. Okay, see it here. Okay, so this is the login page. So immediately you come. Wait, let me check something. Just a minute. Okay guys, so let me go to my Chrome now. Okay, so this is my 1688 on Chrome browser. So I just have to click on login and then put the same information we just set on the Alipay. Remember, we are not creating any new account, but we are only logging in with the details we have gotten from the Alipay, and we are simply saying we are linking the two accounts together. So let me translate for your sake. So you can see account login and then mobile taba login. So there is the button by the right hand corner. This side is what is called SMS login, but I'm going to use normal 1688 login. So if I click there, it's the same name. Okay, you can see it here. It was starting with TB3149. So if I click on it, the same password that is here is that very password on the Alipay. So I will now click login. They're asking me whether on Chrome or on app, so let me use Chrome for your sake. And boom, I'm logged in. So as simple as that. So if you are logged in, some people used to ask, how do I know whether I'm logged in? I'm just putting my password and all of a sudden it takes me to the page. So if you are logged in, can you see on this screen? If you can see on this screen where you are seeing good business opportunities, that is where to search for your goods. And then at the extreme end, by the right hand corner this side, you will see favorite. So if you are successfully logging, you will see that star which is for favorite instead of login. Remember, that was where we picked the login button, but now it is no longer there because we are logged in. So we are seeing favorite instead of login. So that is all about linking the two accounts together. So before we go, in case you are coming across our channel for the first time, kindly like the video, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you get weekly updates we post every week. Thank you.